Ano ang compound exercises at bakit mo ito kailangan gawin? Compound exercises is a type of physical activity na nag-i-involve ng 2 or more muscle groups para magawa yung movement. Kumbaga sa isang exercise, multiple muscle groups yung gumagana. Examples ng compound exercises ay bench press, squats, at deadlift. Halimbawa, bench press. Pag ginawa mo yung movement, matatarget niya yung chest, pati na rin yung tricep mo. Bakit mas okay ang compound exercises lalo na kung beginner ka? Number 1, mas efficient. Imagine, 2 or more exercises na ang magagawa mo sa isang movement. Kaya makakapag-save ka ng time to focus on your form at intensity ng exercise na gagawin mo. 2, strength. Mas na-engage nito ang major muscle group kaya mas nakakapag-build ka ng strength over time. Number 3, muscle growth. It is proven na nakakapag-boost ng muscle growth ang compound exercise. Remember na kailangan mo pa rin ng proper diet para sa gains and performance mo. Lastly, it is time saving. Kung meron kang limited time para mag-exercise, compound exercises ang pinakamagandang gawin. Bakit? Dahil mas marami kang muscle na maite-train o maie-exercise sa maikling time na meron ka. So next time na mag-gym ka, incorporate compound exercises sa program mo for you to build muscle and get stronger.